Hello guys, hope you are fine and doing well. Today, the book which we are reviewing is the most important book which is related to Introduction to Sociological Theory. Theories, concepts, and their applicability to the 21st century. The book is written by Michel Dillon. Book is very important in order to understand the sociological theory. If we discuss the topics which are in this book, the first topic is Introduction to Sociological Theory. Welcome to Sociological Theory, like analyze social life, societal transformation and origin of society, the establishment of sociology, the sociological craft in the 19th century. Then our first chapter is Karl Marx, expansion of capitalism, Marx theory of history, human nature, capitalism as a distinctive social form, wage labor, the division of labor, alienation, economic inequality, ideology and power, and so on. The second chapter, which is Emile Durkheim, Durkheim's methodological rules, the nature of society, societal transformation and social cohesion, traditional society, modern society, social conditions of society, religion, and the sacred. And third chapter is Max Weber, sociology, understanding of social action, culture, and economic activity, ideal types, power action, social action, power, authority, and domination, social stratification, modernity, and competing values. The fourth one is Talcott Parson and Robert K. Merton, functionalism and modernization. Talcott Parson, the social system, socialization and social integration, social differentiation, culture and secularization of Protestantism, pattern variables, modernization theory, stratification and inequality, and so on. And fifth one is critical theory, technology, culture, and politics, dialectical enlightenment, mass culture and consumption, politics, uniformity and control, and so on. Sixth number chapter is conflict, power, and dependency in macro societal societies. See Wright Mills, Ralph Dahrendorf, dependency theory, neo Marxism, and seventh one is exchange network, rational choices theory, like exchange theory, exchange network theory, actor network theory, rational choice theory, analytical Marxism, and eighth one is symbolic interactionism, development of self through social interaction, the premises of symbolic interactionism, Erwin Goffman, and symbolic interactionism and ethnographic research. And ninth one is phenomenology and ethnomethodology. And tenth one is feminist theories. And when we look at the 11th number, Michael Foucault, theorizing the sexuality, body, and power. And at 12th number, race and racism, the construction of racial otherness. And at 13 number, the social reproduction of inequality. And at 14 number, economic and political globalization. And at fifth number, modernities, cosmopolitanism, and global consumer of culture. This book consists of 15 chapters, which explain all other chapters and topics very well. Thank you so much.